Very warm and wonderful morning to all my wonderful students. Today we are going to do the next topic of the chapter number 6. The topic name is rusting of iron. Rusting of iron means the process of deposition of a brown color layer over the iron articles, and rusting is a chemical and irreversible change. The given reaction takes place during the process of rusting. 4Fe plus 3O2 plus H2O means iron will react with oxygen and water. It will give rise to a chemical substance called as rust, and the chemical formula is Fe2O3 H2O. So rusting is a chemical and irreversible change, means if once the iron article has been rusted, we cannot reverse and get back the original substance. So rusting is a chemical and the irreversible change. Rusting involves both oxygen and the water. Water may be present in the form of water vapor. You can see water vapor, oxygen or water in the liquid state has formed the reddish brown color over the key. This reddish brown layer over the key is called rust. So the definition is the process of rust formation in the presence of oxygen and water or water vapor is called rusting. You can see the various things shown in the diagram has been rusted because of the exposure to oxygen and the water. Rusting becomes faster if the content of the moisture in the air is high, means the area where the air is having the less moisture, or we can say less humid area like deserts, and the area with the high humidity means the area near to the sea coast. The process of the rusting is faster in the humid areas and process of the rusting is slower in the less humid areas. Rusting slowly destroys the iron objects, which lead to huge monetary losses, means money wise we will face the losses because the iron material will get rusted when they are exposed to the air and oxygen, and we know that most of the material are in direct contact of oxygen and the water, and with these two material they will get the deposition of a layer called rust. You can see the water pipes, these iron nails, iron chains, gates, all these material get rusted, means they will have a brown color deposition. This is called rust, and this rusting will slowly eat the metal surface. This metal surface will be finally useless and it will be eaten up by the rust material which has been deposited over the iron articles like pipes, iron gates and the other materials. So we need to prevent these material from the rusting. To prevent the material of the iron from the rusting, we need to follow few steps, and those steps are the coating of the surface with the grease or oil. If we will apply the paint, oil or grease on such surface like engine etc., the rusting process can be avoided. Next is the rusting material can be prevented by coating of the zinc layer. The iron sheet must be coated with the zinc layer. This process is called as galvanization, and it can be also coated with the help of the aluminium metal also, and the deposition of these metals will do not allow the process of the rusting. The material made up of the iron can be mixed with the other metals also, and those metals will make it another substance called as alloy, and alloy material are resistant to the rusting process, and so iron should be allowed to mix with the other metal. These are the various methods which can be used to prevent the iron articles from the rusting. Hope you all have understood the chapter. You have to read this topic from page number 69 and page number 17. Goodbye everyone.